Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. As a new mom, taking care of your little one is your top priority, and ensuring you have the right nutrition is crucial for both you and your baby's health. Nutrition plays a vital role in breastfeeding, as it directly impacts the quality of breast milk you provide to your baby. A well-balanced diet can help you maintain your energy levels, support your milk supply, and aid in your postpartum recovery. In this video, we'll be sharing practical and easy-to-follow tips to help you make informed choices when it comes to your diet while breastfeeding. We understand the challenges that come with being a new mom, and we're here to provide you with the support and guidance you need to nourish yourself and your baby. Whether you're a first-time mom or looking to refresh your knowledge on breastfeeding nutrition, we're excited to share these tips with you. Stay tuned to learn how you can optimize your diet for a healthy and happy breastfeeding journey. Tip 1. Hydration is key. One of the most important aspects of maintaining a healthy breastfeeding diet is staying hydrated. As a breastfeeding mom, it's recommended to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water daily to support your milk supply and overall well-being. In addition to drinking water, you can also increase your hydration levels by incorporating hydrating foods into your diet. Foods like watermelon, cucumber, and soups can help boost your fluid intake and keep you well hydrated throughout the day. Staying properly hydrated is essential for milk production, as breast milk is composed of about 88% water. Adequate hydration not only supports your baby's nutritional needs but also helps you feel more energized and alert. By prioritizing your water intake and choosing hydrating foods, you can ensure that you're providing your body with the necessary fluids to support a healthy breastfeeding journey. Remember, staying hydrated is key to both your health and your baby's well-being. Tip 2. Nutrient-dense foods. Consuming nutrient-dense foods is essential for breastfeeding moms to ensure they are meeting their own nutritional needs as well as those of their growing baby. Including foods rich in iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids in your daily meals can help support your overall health and milk production. Iron is crucial for replenishing the iron stores depleted during pregnancy and childbirth, while calcium is essential for bone health and muscle function. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, play a key role in brain development and can be passed on to your baby through breast milk. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods is important for both mom and baby's health. Consider meal ideas like salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal that provides protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. By prioritizing nutrient-dense foods in your diet, you can ensure that you are providing your body with the necessary nutrients to support a healthy breastfeeding journey for you and your baby. Tip 3. Snack smartly. As a breastfeeding mom, maintaining your energy levels throughout the day is crucial, and smart snacking can help you achieve just that. When it comes to choosing snacks, opt for options that are high in protein and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer periods. Healthy snacking options for breastfeeding moms include Greek yogurt with berries, almond butter with apple slices, or a handful of nuts and seeds. These snacks not only provide a good source of nutrients but also help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. It's important to avoid empty-calorie snacks that offer little nutritional value and can leave you feeling sluggish. By choosing nutrient-dense snacks, you can fuel your body with the necessary nutrients to support both you and your baby's health during breastfeeding. Snacking smartly can help you maintain your energy levels, stay focused, and ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs as a breastfeeding mom. Remember, making mindful choices when it comes to snacking can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Tip 4. Mindful eating habits. Practicing mindful eating habits while breastfeeding can have numerous benefits for both you and your baby. By being present and attentive during meals, you can positively impact your digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall well-being. One key aspect of mindful eating is to eat slowly and savor each bite. This not only allows you to fully enjoy your food but also aids in proper digestion by giving your body time to signal when you're full. Listening to your hunger cues and stopping when you feel satisfied can help prevent overeating and promote a healthy relationship with food. Mindful eating is not just about what you eat but also how you eat. By being mindful of your eating habits, you can create a positive environment for mealtime, reduce stress, and enhance the bonding experience with your baby during breastfeeding sessions. Incorporating mindful eating practices into your daily routine can lead to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and a greater sense of overall well-being for both you and your baby. By being present and intentional with your meals, you can nourish your body and mind in a holistic way. Tip 5. Include galactagogues. Galactagogues are substances that are known to help boost milk supply in breastfeeding moms by stimulating lactation. Including natural sources of galactagogues in your diet can be a beneficial way to support and enhance your milk production. Foods like oats, fenugreek, and fennel seeds are popular choices for their lactation-boosting properties. Oats, in particular, are rich in beta-glucans, which can help increase prolactin levels and improve milk production. Fenugreek seeds contain compounds that mimic estrogen and can stimulate milk production, while fennel seeds are believed to have a similar effect on lactation. Incorporating these galactagogue-rich ingredients into your meals or snacks can be a simple and effective way to support your breastfeeding journey. Consider adding oats to your morning oatmeal, sprinkling fenugreek seeds on salads, or brewing fennel seed tea for a soothing and lactation-boosting beverage. By including galactagogues in your diet, you can potentially enhance your milk supply and ensure that you're providing your baby with the nourishment they need during breastfeeding. Experiment with different recipes and meal ideas to incorporate these lactation-boosting foods into your daily routine. Tip 6. Seek professional guidance. When it comes to optimizing your breastfeeding nutrition, seeking professional guidance from healthcare professionals or nutritionists can be invaluable in ensuring you and your baby's health and well-being. Lactation consultants and dietitians are trained experts who can provide personalized advice and tailored nutrition recommendations based on your individual needs. Whether you have specific dietary concerns, are looking to address certain health issues, or simply want to optimize your breastfeeding diet, consulting with a professional can offer you the support and guidance you need. Professional support can help you navigate any challenges you may encounter during your breastfeeding journey and provide you with evidence-based recommendations to promote optimal maternal and infant health. By working with a healthcare professional or nutritionist, you can receive individualized guidance that takes into account your unique circumstances and helps you make informed choices when it comes to your diet and nutrition. Remember, seeking professional guidance can empower you to make the best decisions for yourself and your baby, ensuring that you're both receiving the necessary nutrients and support for a healthy and successful breastfeeding experience. As we wrap up our discussion on nutrition tips for breastfeeding moms, let's recap the key points covered in this video to help you on your breastfeeding journey. We highlighted the importance of staying hydrated, consuming nutrient-dense foods, snacking smartly, practicing mindful eating habits, including galactagogues in your diet, and seeking professional guidance for personalized advice. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can support your milk supply, maintain your energy levels, and nourish both yourself and your baby. We encourage you to take action and implement these tips to create a healthy and balanced breastfeeding diet that meets your nutritional needs. Remember, prioritizing your well-being is essential for a successful breastfeeding experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on breastfeeding nutrition and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best on your breastfeeding journey.